Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 5th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Flux today because, man, time has passed. I did the price prediction all the way back in January, right, on the 10th, and I was looking for the market and Flux to go up, and it has exceeded drastically my expectations, which is why you always want to come in and evaluate the situation. Make sure you're still sitting good, or if you can continue to ride the market higher, right? So it's been a while, so I wanted to come in and talk to you all about what I think the market in Flux is about to do. Should you come in now and take profit, or should you hold on and let the price continue to ride higher? You guys appreciate it? Let's talk. So yeah, right here, I have my ultimate TP price in Flux right there around 60 cents. It didn't even take long. So from the 9th of January to the 13th, 11.65%. Now let's just say that you had opportunity to come back into the market right now and you wanted to get out your position. Then that profit is now standing at around 70%. And so many people act like you cannot determine where prices are going to go. And I've been showing everyone this idea for a while. So congratulations to everyone who was able to capitalize off the move. We got a couple of things we want to talk about now since the dynamics has changed. Price is trading well away from my price line. So we're going to talk about this first. Okay, we're going to follow the current trend, which is obviously higher. Okay, so this is where our attention is going to be focused in on Flux. Now, where the price action over the last couple of days in Flux, you guys can see that it kind of got hung up around $1 and a nickel towards $1. Like the market did not allow price to break above, I would definitely say $1 and a nickel. So that is the area of resistance currently in this space for Flux. All right, now seeing how the market, you guys can tell how wide these daily price bars are, how wide the spreads are. That definitely tells us that volatility is increasing, and two, the market is taking profit. So we need to be prepared for some slight decreases in price. I'm not saying it's going to crash, but we always have to be prepared to play both sides of the market. Everything doesn't go up into perpetuity. Things come back down. And considering how drastic this move has been in Flux for the beginning of the year, the market already saw 130% run up in 1 month. So obviously, too fast, too soon. We need to be prepared for this price to come down. Okay. So real quick, look at this on the 2-day chart in Flux. You guys can see in the next 7 hours and 16 minutes, if this price bar right here that the arrow is pointing up to looks this way, price is geared to go lower. I'm just preparing you all for this. Okay, you guys can tell how calm, cool, and collected I am because I can tell from the price action that this market is waning on its bullishness. Okay, so we don't like to see that if you're a buyer. Even here on the 3-day chart in Flux, we don't like that. That's a massive indication that the market's getting tired when you combine this 3-day price bar with the last two. So we got to give the market 7 hours and 15 minutes. So I'm telling you that now. But if it was to conclude, if this 3-day price bar was going to end in the next 2 minutes, I would be playing the market weakness to the downside. Like I would have a higher perception, higher probability that the market move is going to be lower off of this 3-day price bar currently. Okay. Here it is on the 5-day. So I'm literally transitioning and showing you all different time frames to show you how weak this market currently is in Flux. Now, by me saying the word weak, I don't want you all to think that I'm looking for price to run back down to 25 cents. No, we just need to be prepared that the direction in Flux is to the downside. Now, I'm going to zoom out to show you how low we can see the market in Flux really go. Now, I do like this area right here as a base to see buyers here in Flux around 80 cents. Market already came there this week. We could possibly see another touch in Flux right there around that area. Okay. Now, if we're not able to hold 80 cents in Flux, then that's going to hurt the market a lot more. And the next level is going to be around 65 cents. And that would definitely take the trend that this market has gone through in January, breaking that and continue to go lower. Okay. So now let me go ahead and show you all on the daily chart what I'm looking at in the market in Flux. Okay, so we're going to play some weakness. Okay, the chart is telling us how the market is viewing price action right now. So these two lines here on the chart is going to play a big role as to how we're going and what we expect to see. Okay, this is the areas that we want to see buyers. Okay, so my first couple of price targets, my first is going to be around 85 cents. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart for Flux. And we're going to look around 85 cents for that first level. Okay, so let me bring this up to 85 cents. You guys can see right there, highlighted with the magnifying glass, 85 cents there. That also would give us 6.59% profit in that move, lower. My second area is going to be in or around 80 cents. Okay, that's 12.09% there. Second price level, 80 cents. And then third, we'll have to follow along this trend line. So anywhere on the trend line, which is around 75, I'll just take 75. And you guys can see that's around 17.91% price level, 74, 75 cents, in and around that area is what I'm looking at. Okay, and that is it. Done, simple, easy, not hard, not complicated. Until we see buyers enter the space for Flux, we need to consider that the market is generally weaker. Okay, we're going to follow that notion, and we also would know that the price is weak in Flux as long as price trades below $1.05 right there. Okay, so now go ahead and give me your thoughts. What do you think the price in Flux is about to do? I have given you all my thinking process, what I think is about to happen into the market in Flux, where I'm looking for buyers to show up, because if they do, then the market have another opportunity to go back up. If they don't show up on any of my three levels, we might have to lower our expectations. Yeah, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. To everyone who is new, welcome to the team, welcome to the community. If you all appreciate the videos that I produce, join on board. This is not a hard game. I'm here to show you all that the market is not complicated as what so many other people make you think it is. It's not. Just join me and watch what I can do in terms of my price predictions. I want you all to learn. Okay, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about Flux right now. Do you think the price is going to continue to trend higher? Do you think we're going to go down, do a small dip, or do you think we're going to crash? Like, all of these things are probable things that can happen. I don't think a lot of people even realize that the game that we play in cryptocurrency is merely a probable game. Like, we're trying to figure out which direction, because price can only go one way. You cannot split price and see price go up and then go down. It can only go one direction. So when you think about that and think about it in terms of probabilities and the recent price action, you can narrow it down and kind of get an idea. Okay, it does seem as if the trend is to the downside right now, and just play it. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.